Cut it 3 times. Se va a culear este vato mañana. Les apuesto lo que quiera que mañana se va a culear. This is day 1, so this video will go down tomorrow.
Me?
Yes.
Not at all.
See, it's okay to be cocky, you know what I'm saying? Because we are, you know, you gotta be a little cocky every once in a while. Just a little bit, just so, para que no se te mire el miedo. Pero este vato is just overdoing it, bro.
I'm not really scared of it.
You're out here just like, nah, bro, I got that shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Once it comes down to it, your foot's gonna be shaky, your hands are gonna be.
Hey, I don't shake.
se va a mear.
That's Tiny. Tiny's gonna let off.
Nah, Tiny's gonna let off, yeah.
Who do you have in the race?
I gotta get my dog, yo, you know what I'm saying? But I want you to put my song, my song.
That's my dog.
I have to, you know, even though I talk a lot of shit about Tiny, at the end of the day, we're all friends. We all just rank on each other every day, all day long. This is what we do. But I gotta take Perrio, you know what I'm saying? I trained this guy, so he better not let me down, bro.
Hey, bro. Shit.
Whoever wins is gonna take $500. So, I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, bro. We let you drive the fast shit, and you can still make a little bit of money. You take advantage because you drive all the trucks. Is it cheating if we let him make a pit right now?
I think it's a little cheating if he gets a test hit.
It's not cheating because tomorrow they're gonna make a pass. They're gonna make a single pass each one. Does Tiny know that he's gonna race tomorrow?
Yeah.
Is he here?
He was 6 hours away, 4 hours away.
That doesn't make sense.
He's 4 hours away right now.
Maybe less, like 2
Probably
hours.
like barely crossing Louisiana.
Call him.
Yo, ¿por dónde vienes?
What's cracking?
Louisiana, crossing that big old Bayou Bridge. I don't know if you ever been down.
Oh, the long one?
Oh, okay.
Baton
okay,
Rouge?
Yeah. You ready tomorrow? I'm gonna spank that ass, boy.
That's good.
Shit.
Congratulations, brother.
Qué aburrido.
Qué aburrido, güey. Not even excitement. You already know
wake
you're
the
gonna
fuck
lose.
up, bro. Wake the fuck up, Tiny.
Nigga, I've been on the road all day. These fucking people are stupid. There's so many people on the road. I'm going 50 miles an hour on I-10 week. It's so fucking stupid.
Just imagine what they say about you when they catch you walking around the mall.
Shit.
Hey, so are you ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.
You don't seem very excited.
Va a estar cansado.
Vas a,
Because I'm tired right now.
vas a salir con que estoy cansado, que no agarré suficiente rest. So, you ready? I'm training Perrio right now.
That's fine. Dale escuela que mándalo para race. Cómprale un pinche outfit a la verga.
Mañana temprano, güey, a las 9 en el shop.
¿De la mañana?
Sí, güey.
Yeah, they got the winter lights going on, so we have to race. The rental's actually from 8 to 3.
Oh, shit.
Can you make it?
Yeah.
Okay.
$500, whoever wins.
Para que te compre chingo de cigarros.
Ya me compré un cartón. They're cheaper in Alabama.
¿Está bueno? ¿Te alabas?
Dale.
Ah.
Maybe got like a little small nail or something. Nah, it has con rocas y eso.
Oh, what happened?
So
when you're on the brake and then you're on the button.
a ver, do it.
It's pressed in.
So you're in the button like that?
No.
Now you're on the brake and the gas pedal.
Yes.
Okay, so
Boom.
No, don't let, no.
oh, press it.
Like right now, like don't press it. Push it in. Okay, that's the 2-step is on right there.
Okay.
So hold the brake.
And
Boost.
then hold the gas.
Okay, pícale.
Nah, it's cause I gotta be on it.
What the fuck, dog?
I gotta be on it.
Hey, I got too tidy, bro.
So like this.
That was $100.
And then, like that.
Hey, dog.
Hey, at the same
Hey,
time,
you better just split it, dog. Call it split.
I got it.
do it again.
Pero no le piques a botón, tienes que picarle así, like.
You can't even be looking, bro. You gotta be like that.
You gotta look straight. You gotta multitask.
A ver, dale.
You gotta, and then I got it. I got it.
Boy.
So the 2-step, it's getting stuck. What's up, bro? Trying to touch me and shit. The 2-step is getting stuck. We're gonna have to improvise, and we had this problem before on Holly truck, which is right there. It's bad, bro. This is bad. It's bad. Yeah. Anybody want to race Holly, pull up. We're gonna activate the 2-step, but when you let off the brake, it's supposed to come off, and it doesn't come off. So we're gonna have to take it off manually while we're on the gas. Let off the brake.
Let off the brake, then press the button.
Yes, at the same time. So it's just like clap, and then hit the gas, and then hold on for dear life. If you have a 4x4, you know how it feels. It feels like shit. Chito's gonna make a pass right now, and then we'll let Perrio make one. One small hit with no tank.
Hey, Tiny got fatter fingers, so he's gonna be like. I'm a little nervous now, boy. It's cause we low-key saw he's like. I'm like, oh shit, bro.
We figured when you pedaled. When you figured, ¿qué pasó? ¿Se culeaste o no?
No, me se la hinchó con mi madre. Güey, no mames, güey. Fue bien culero, güey. Pinche botoncito, güey. It made all the difference, dog. Nomás lo deja así, a la verga. Told you.
Nah, it's a beast, bro. It moves.
It was funny.
Se culió más Ale, güey. Nomás le basta la cara, güey. Se debe sentir más gacho as soon as you let it off. Pero you let it off, güey, it's like half a second, güey. Like, wow. It should be like, desde un principio. That's what we need.
Yeah.
Para que se vaya bien culero desde el momento que les dejes ir. Pero también está bien porque se va y no patina mucho. Para que no patine en la calle.
I'll do it.
Nah, hell no, you ain't doing shit.
Nah,
He ain't doing shit.
Come on, bro. Hey, you said no.
Para que mires.
Nah, no, con el tanque no.
Sin el tanque.
Se mueve bien culero, güey. ¿Sí o no, Chiro?
No, sí. Aquí no se mira tanto como se va moviendo. Adentro, o sea, the 4x4 is aggressive, ¿no?
Hey, you probably gotta watch out with Tiny because you know he's a little bigger, dog, so he has like a little bit more strength.
Have you seen his leg? Bro, this leg is like this. Look, like this, and then you got the other one. It's like that. He's like.
We're going to close the tank.
Yeah, close the tank, close the tank. Let's play it safe.
Got you. Let me see. I'll go with it.
I already closed it.
You already know what to do, right? Yeah. So right now it's not activated. That's activated.
Look, I go like this, and then and then.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big fun, boy.
I feel like I'm nervous. I'm nervous because this is like my son. Even though he could be my brother because I'm not that old. I feel like I'm sending my son out for his first race.
Junior dragsters.
Oh, se pone el casco. Hey, se pone el casco. He don't want to show. Without the bottle, it shouldn't be that bad. He's gonna feel some power, but it's not gonna be as aggressive as.
Oh no, of course not.
No, but that 4x4 ain't no joke, bro. It feels like shit.
Yeah, he was doing good.
No, he said he didn't press the button.
Yeah, right.
Bro, you did have it.
I didn't have it. I pressed the button.
Yes, you did.
I did it.
It was two-stepping, and you took off nasty.
The button's still in. Come look at it. I was like this.
Nah, I don't believe this guy.
No, you took off badass and you let off. Go ahead.
Dale.
He did two-stepper right. It didn't pop. That was just all foot brake.
Or he just two-step for a little bit, le faltó un poquito más
Yeah.
pop. Pero se culió, he let off.
Yeah.
He let off again right there.
He went home.
So, if Alex is shitting bricks right now, just imagine your boy Tiny se va de diarrea todo el pedo. Todo el pedo.
You better
Hasta
wear
le va a salir
diaper.
chiche, le va a salir leche a las chiches del
You better
vato.
wear a diaper tomorrow.
Ya ni quiso otro paso, ¿qué?
Let's go make another one.
Oh, okay.
Well, he's getting the two-step down though. That was badass two-step.
On that one, it protected itself. I was on it.
Did you get scared?
It felt good. It feels good.
You want me to open up the tank? Oh no?
Yeah. Nah, dude.
Nah.
It feels good.
Not yet. Not here.
You let off, bro. You're not gonna go all the way.
Over there, I did. Over here, I did too. Well, I felt it. I was like, oh shit. I'm like, okay. But yeah, I did let off.
Aquí 2 veces.
Pues no que muy salsa, compa. Ahorita anda bien salsa el vato.
Hombre, ahorita le otro. Y vas a ver, I'm not gonna let off. I put money on that.
No, that's the problem. No, that's the problem. I don't want to bet you because you're not gonna let off. You're gonna feel entitled to not let off the gas because we never let off the gas. That's what we on the gas. But if you don't know how to control it, then
There goes the
No,
ditch.
now with the bottle.
there
that's
goes
the-
there goes the
into the
Uzi
ditch.
and shit.
There goes the island, bitch.
Not to do all that.
That's what I'm saying.
Nah, not the bottle. Just the wasted.
En el primer pull te culeaste, güey.
No, I was on it and then I clicked the button. Y después se- same thing that happened over there. I was trying to and I was on it.
Wait, pero la second one. Boom, le cortaste, le volviste a cortar y no reduce engine power.
No.
¡Culo!
I felt like shit. Everything just everything.
Bro, you weren't even going fast.
Hey, that's without a bottle.
That's that.
It feels fast.
No, it feels fast. Yeah, but like, it was just like, wow. Like, no se miró, like, you didn't make a full pass. It's working. Hey, we haven't broken axle yet.
Well, I mean, it was at the track where it broke. It's too sticky.
but
No,
this-
we've broken
this
it on the
broke
driveway
two
before.
on the driveway. Yeah. Maybe that Spencer did help out. No, this guy wants to do it again, but I'm not gonna do my boy time like that. We're gonna do fair.
Yeah, we're gonna be fair about
We're
it.
gonna be fair. So you already had just a little taste of what it is to have a.
That's already an advantage. you
Yeah.
know, so-
We're gonna let Tiny do like 2 hits tomorrow.
One.
No, you already did 1 right now.
See.
He's gonna do 2 tomorrow. You're gonna do 1 tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He's gonna do 2 tomorrow at
So
the
you're
track.
gonna do one test hit.
You're gonna do 1 test hit.
Okay.
He's gonna do 2.
Two test
If he wants 2, he could do 2.
Okay.
Yes, you know.
Hey, wait. But what's gonna happen if they let go at the track?
Whoever gets the best time.
I ain't gonna
Whoever
let
gets
go.
the slowest time.
I ain't gonna let go there.
Oh, on the whole quarter mile.
Yeah. Or hey, we're going 8th. We don't need to go quarter. We need to do 8th.
Yeah, let's strain on the motor.
But we're doing it in Baytown, right? Quarter.
See.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Baytown.
We ain't gonna do my boy time like that. I don't want them saying that we cheated. We're not cheating. It's just a little taste. He didn't even make a full pass. It's just el puro arranque. Con el
60
puro
foot.
arranque se guachó todo el pedo.
Nah, I didn't pee.
Before that, he was like, let me go pee because I'm gonna pee on
I
myself.
did need to pee. Oh shit. Okay, I like that. I'll do a test
Yeah,
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, bro.
Yeah,
Ahorita,
that's cool.
ahorita tiro le va a dar uno más.
Okay.
Pero hácelo de lejos, güey. Hácelo más para atrás. Don't let go. Just so he can feel aquí, como por aquí. Va a traer otro cambio. Y va a valer verga aquí para allá.
¿Yo qué?
No, es que esta se abre, güey, se siente más. Entre más recio vayas, más se abre. It takes off good and it feels like, ah, shit. And then third gear goes in. And,
Yeah, I think the boost is ramped up.
yeah, the turbos, hechos madres, se abre machín.
Let me do a test on Holly.
Hell
Wastegate tomorrow.
No,
Wastegate.
Too fast.
Not on wastegate. You only seen what? 8 pounds?
I don't know what it is, but it's the
No,
thing
that
is that
bitch moves, bro.
the turbos are so small, way they boost.
They spool up right away.
I'm not gonna remember. I did this one.
Those
quick.
turbos are bigger than those.
Boy, yeah,
These
no
are
shit.
what, 79?
38.
78. Those are 76s.
be more comfortable.
What happened?
You let go for shit on that one.
Pero, pasaron su verga, güey. Sale chispa a este lado, güey. Sale como... güey, sale como cuando si traes como una piedra o un clavo o algo, güey.
Trae un clavo, güey. Porque every time it does it. Si fuera piedra se hubiera salido.
Yeah, sure.
Yo pensé que no le ibas a soltar.
No le quería soltar. No le quería soltar. No, güey, stay on there, motherfucker.
The longer you stay in, the longer, the faster it gets. Más que sientes como que se te va a acabar el camino.
No, wait, I have a real bad experience on this truck. You know, the last time I did that, I was on fire, bro, at the end.
Yeah.
So I was like, I was telling Perrio, like, man, bro, like, man, I don't want to, I still feel the
you're fire.
flashback, you know, the flashback. But nah, it was good. But it sucks because it's like a drug, bro. Like, all right, I want to go faster. You know, it's like,
Yeah.
It's an addiction.
Yeah, it's an addiction. Nah, no le quiero soltar, más que no se me va a acabar el pedo.
No, that's,
Así con tal shoot.
that's only 18 pounds, marca 18 pounds ahí, pero normalmente marca 5 abajo, güey. So you're probably like at 13 pounds right now. You put 20, you're at 15. You put 25 right there, you can do 20. Así se va.
I don't feel good.
Se puso el casco y está it's gonna feel like shit.
And what did? Because I saw him, he's like, ah, and I'm like, oh, bro, we're going somewhere.
It's a grave, man.
This nigga like, don't let go. Like, I can't let go. I'm under pressure right now.
He squatted down.
Iban rastro los motherfuckers.
Hey, ponle ahí.
Yeah. Hey, Charlie was popping. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at skirt. Dope boy splurge. Too much ice on me, made her nervous. Flexing on purpose. Still smoking cushion, still drinking purple. Whip a convertible. The only thing that the streets respect is money and murder. Shooter jumping out traffic. Fucking let that nigga have it. Trapping in half fashion. She real pretty, but she nasty. Then my trap bitch, but she classy. In the club smoking blunts back to back, but my diamonds just dancing. Pull up in a different foreign every day, bitch said you too fancy. I told her no, you never seen shit like this, bitch, don't panic. If you ain't from the streets and never had shit, then you won't understand me. Trap nigga in the Dolce & Gabbana tuxedo at the Grammys. In 4 days, smoked the whole 448 Grammys. My jewelry box look like the ocean.